And whatever you ask in prayer, you will receive, if you have faith. Matthew 21 and verse 22.
Finally, I'm not running back, I'm turning up and down and I'm coming down. I saw your mind running deep, I've been fighting. Right, I know it's good, damn, I know you're mine, you know it too, fine.
Hey Royals, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with another wig installation video. So the unit that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in collaboration with Ft.Mslynn hair company. So a bit about this unit: this is their 24-inch highlighted balayage unit in the density of 150%. This is also their 13x4 lace frontal unit. So I'll leave all the information for this unit in my description bar down below, as well as an 8% discount code, so you can save 8% off of your purchase. So I did went ahead to bleach the knot prior. The hair did come pre-plucked, but I went in a little bit more just to finesse it to my liking. So if you are interested in that kind of content, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So let's jump right into the installation process.
So the unit that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in collaboration with Ft.Mslynn hair company. They were gracious enough to send me over their 24-inch highlighted balayage unit in the density of 150%. So inside of the box, along with the wig, I received some goodies as well. I received their thank you card, their elastic velcro Ft.Mslynn hairband, a pair of eyelashes, a pair of stocking cap as well, an edge brush, and an extra pair of elastic band. So a bit about this unit: this is their highlighted balayage 13x4 lace frontal unit. The wig did come pre-plucked. So a bit about the inside cap construction of this wig: it has 3 combs behind of the lace, 1 to the back, and it also comes with adjustable straps so you can adjust this wig to your particular liking. So let's jump right into the installation process.
So this is the unit that I'm going to be installing today. I did went ahead to do some pin curls on this unit. This is their 24-inch highlighted balayage unit. So the back is sewn on like upwards, as you can see here, which I do not like. I'm gonna go and install this unit. I'm gonna go and tint the lace with my black opal foundation. So once I'm done tinting the wig, this is how it looks, and it should blend perfectly with my skin complexion. So this is how it looks after.
So to install this unit, I'm using my Kiss Almighty glue, and I'm going to be using 2 layers of the glue to do this install today. So to further melt this lace, I am going in with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray, and I'm just putting that to the front portion.
So I did went in to comb out the curls on this wig a bit.
So now I'm going in with my Fantasia Super Hole Spritz.
I'm just gonna put that to the front of the wig.
One time, I need to hold the corner, and there's no one. One time, cause girl, you're not nice. You want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do you. Don't get it, look so nice, you're not nice. True.
So I'm just going to recurl the left portion of this unit. After I took the pin curls out, the curls were coming forward to my face and I wanted the hair to be curled away from my face. So I'm just going in with my curling iron and I'm just working on curling the hair away from my face. So you guys check out this melt on this unit. It's giving all the gives. So I'm just going to begin to start to work on parting out the section where I'm going to be using to create my baby hairs. So I'm going to be doing a minimalistic amount of baby hairs today. And to lay my edges today, I'm going in with my Holy Grail, my Gorilla Snot Gel in pot.
Some vacation time. You and your girlfriend, too bad mind. Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do.
And to define the parting space of my unit, I'm going in with my Black Radiance True Contour Powder Palette, just to put the powder into the parting space so that it could be more defined.
And it's so one time I need to hold a corner. And it's so one time I need to, oh yeah, you look so nice, being not nice, so rude. Look what you put in me through.
So to finish up the look, I'm going in with my ISO Plus hair sheen just to add a bit of shine and luster to this unit. And you guys, this wig is giving. Look at the curls and the volume on this unit. So thank you so much for watching this installation process, you guys, and see you in my next one. God bless.
So you guys, this is the end result of this 24-inch highlighted balayage unit from Ft.Mslynn hair company, and this wig is giving all the gives and I am in love. So a bit about this unit. This is their 24-inch highlighted balayage unit in the density of 150%, and it's a 13x4 lace frontal unit. So this unit retails for $287 on their website. So I'll leave all the information for this unit in my description bar down below, as well as an 8% discount code. So this unit has its pros and its cons. I received the minimal to little shredding on this unit, and the color highlighted balayage unit is bomb. Like, they did 2 rows of blonde to the back and 2 rows of the natural 1B color hair. So with each row there is a different color. So this wig was not constructed to its best, and there is a weft of weave right to the back of this wig. So if I'm supposed to do a flip up hairstyle, it wouldn't work because the track would be showing to the back. So that's the only con about this unit that I don't like. Loving this unit, and yeah, go ahead and purchase this unit. Thank you guys so much for watching this installation process, and until next time, see you in my next video, and always remember to put God first in everything that you do.